Okay, so I don't know how many of you understood the problems. So this color it is a solid color, right? The solid color from this solid color. Then for our border color, we have the same solid color, but the opacity is reduced to 15%. So this whole element, like with the border, has a background of the solid color. Then if I put the same color over it with the same opacity, it just blends in. So the border color is actually applying, but we do not see that. So uh, I think it was a mistake from our UI designer. I wouldn't say the mistake. So she maybe didn't realize this would happen. So yeah, so what we can do is we can just use a lighter color from here. So let's find a lighter color. Yeah, let's say this one. Yeah, see, now it works. So you might face these problems when you are a front-end developer. Of course, you have to work with colors and designs and different animations. So you might face these problems in future. Okay, so not that one. Let's reload it. Sorry. Okay, we got an error. Oh, where is it this error coming from? Okay, so I think it is too light now. Let's say this one. Okay, now you can see it. So yeah, that was the problem. Okay, so if you do not understand the problem, it's okay. So what I'm going to do is what I did here, I'm going to copy it from here because this color doesn't really match the one from our UI design. So let me just copy that from there. Okay, we do not need the important sign anymore. Okay, now it works. So we have to do the same thing with our second element and our third element. So to do it with the second element, we can just copy and paste it. And inside of first child, we can say nth uh, nth child, and then we can say we want to get the second child. So this flag will get the second child. And for our second child, let's grab the colors. We can get the background color from here. Sorry, didn't mean to open that. Okay. Okay, this is our background color, and this is the button color. Okay, and then I'm going to copy it from the previous project because if I copy it from Figma, it won't work. All right, and then inside our end child, we can use the end child 3, or we can just simply say, sorry, we can just simply say and to get the last child. Last child, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's copy that and that. Okay. Did I copy the same thing? I think I did. Okay. Okay. This one should change this one too. Okay, I think now you can see the designs. Sorry, where am I? Okay, I think the last child didn't work, or did it? Border. Oh yeah, sorry, my mistake. Yep. Okay. So yes, it's working now. Okay.